Hi, if you're watching this video, you have already gone into Social Studies Monday, May 4th. For today's activity, you are going to be traveling to all the places that Michael and his family did in their voyage. So you're going to be visiting Google Earth, but I wanted to show you how to manipulate Google Earth. So you want to go make sure you have a pencil and paper too while you're exploring. So just watch this video first, and then you'll have your chance to click on the link and go ahead and go out and explore Google Earth. So you'll click on Michael's journey. It'll take you out to Google Earth. It may ask you to log in with your Google account. Hopefully I've created the sharing rights correctly. All right, and you can see down here, these are all the places that they visited. So now it's taking you out, and all the little yellow dots on the Earth here are the places, and I'm going to manipulate with my fingers. I can kind of move around here. All right, and you can see that all the yellow dots, okay, those are the places visited. Now, this first yellow dot here is where he started in England, Southampton. So for each place, okay, you can click on it over the left-hand side, and it brings up, it's going to take you down closer, all right, to Southampton, England. And then you can open this window here by clicking on it, and it does a couple of things. One, you should read the information. It gives you a short paragraph about the area. You keep scrolling down, it tells you the different points of interest. You can click on each one of those as well to learn more. All right. It'll tell you like the main language, things like that. And then scroll through the pictures too. You get some great images of Southampton. Like here I can see it's coastal. I see the ocean over here, which makes sense because they did a lot of sailing. Okay, so you see all this cool stuff here, and these are all pictures taken in Southampton. When you're finished looking at the pictures, you can go back, click on the little arrow and go back. Okay, and then if you close out on this, this is the cool part. All right, you can, if you click on the little person here, you can go down to the street view. If you click on it, anything that's in blue here is the street view. So this is Southampton. So I'm going to click close to the coast because I'm kind of curious to see what it looks like close to the coast. So I click on it. You want to wait a minute, and it takes us right down in to the street view and what it would look like. You can then take your, I must be inside some kind of castle here. I don't know. That's crazy. It's not really out on the street. She's just here visiting some kind of castle or theater. So I can go back out again. All right, and then now you're in like 2D, and you can see you could scroll around. Like here's the coast. Maybe I want to see what it looks like down here. Oh, so I can go into the street view here. It's going to take me down now. All right, and then I can manipulate and just get a better view. Oh, there people park right by the water here. Pretty cool. Kind of cloudy there on that day. And you can see down here in the smaller world map where you are in the world. Okay, so you're taking notes on all that information. Now next, I'm going to click back. All right, and we're going to go from Southampton to La Coruña, which is in Spain. So he sailed from Southampton to La Coruña in Spain. Same thing. Click here, read the information, look at the points of interest. All right, scroll through the pictures. I really want you to be thinking which of these places would have been the coolest for you. Again, they're all coastal, obviously, because he's sailing. The wildlife there. Scroll through. There's beaches. You can go back out again and click out of this and do the same thing. Do the street view. Anything that turned blue, you can go all the way down to the street. So, of course, I want to go down here to the ocean. See what it looks like. It's going to take me in. All right, and take me right to the street level view of the ocean. So pretty cool. That's how you work Google Earth. You're going to go to all the different places. I believe I've put them all on here, ending with Papua New Guinea. And you're taking notes about interesting places, places that you really like to visit, and why. So hopefully this tutorial will help you navigate Google Earth.